Hi there, my name is Keith, and welcome to the fourth video in the Start a Profitable Blog that generates money for you 24/7 playlist. So, in this playlist, I'll be teaching you how you can start or create your free website, which can help you generate money 24/7 even when you're sleeping. Okay, so this is the fourth video, and I'm going to talk about how actually a website works in practical. Okay, in the second video you learned about what a website is and how it works. So before you jump in and creating your own website, it's better you understand how a website actually works. Okay, so this is what I'm going to show you than just talking. So if you're new to this channel is all about making money, forex trading, tutorials and vlogs. So to keep on receiving this type of videos, be sure to subscribe, and also don't forget to turn all notifications on so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video into this playlist. Okay, so I think this is the best playlist I've ever created, because what you're going to learn from this playlist is quite a lot, and it's guaranteed that it's going to help you make money, and there's no limit to that. So without wasting any of your time, let's get started. Yeah, okay, so um okay, so in this video, I talked about what a website is and how it works. And just to remind you, I said that a website is a collection of web pages that link to other pages on a web server. And in the third video, I talked about how much it costs to start a website. And I said that to create a website, it depends with what type of website you want. Okay, so we all know there are different types of website. Facebook is a website, Google is a website, my website is also a website. Oh yeah, my blog is also a website. Okay, so the cost to create these websites is not the same. Okay, but in this case, I'm going to teach you how you can start a money generating website that brings you money every day, and you're not going to pay anything. Everything is going to be free, and I'm going to teach you for free right here on YouTube. So um let's get into it now. Let me show you how a website works. So I've actually created a website here on my laptop, but don't worry, I'm not going to teach you any of the programming stuff. Okay, you're not going to do anything about what I'm going to show you. So this video is just to give you an idea how a website actually works, so that as you start your own website, you should have an idea how it starts. But as for you, you're going to everything is going to be there for you. Not start doing the things I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see, this car website here is running on my local host. Okay, if you don't know what local host um it means that this website is running on my local laptop here. Okay, I can also access this website of using an IP address. So just assume that this IP here is for this laptop I'm using. So I can access this website on this computer alone. Okay, and no one else can access this website on my laptop. Okay, so I'm the only one who's able to access this website. So now what happens if I want this website to be accessible by anyone in the world? Yeah, so this is my website, which is offline on my laptop. Okay, it's quite like a simple one. Okay, and so this website is currently on my website, and I'm the only one who can access it. Okay, if you copy this IP address and run it in your browser, it's not going to work for you. Okay, you're going to see something else like not being able to connect. So this website is currently offline on my website. And in the other video I talked about how a website works, I mentioned that website is a set of pages on a web server. So this website is currently here in my folder. Let me just show you the folder. Okay, so this is the index. Okay, .html. So when I double click on this file, okay, it's going to open up the website. So as you can see, The website is in users, Keith, desktop, Jinx folder, HTML index. Okay, so this website is actually offline on on my laptop, and when you go into the images folder, uh, you're going to see the images which are appearing on my website. They are here in my laptop. Okay, so now what happens if I want the website to be accessible by everyone in the world? Okay, there are two ways. One, the first way I can convert this website, not converting the website, but I can turn my laptop into a server. So what do I mean by that? Okay, if I would like this website to be accessible by anyone in the world, then I have to keep this laptop connected to the plug for electricity. Okay. Second, I need this laptop to be connected to the internet so that whenever someone wants to visit my website, is able to visit and doesn't find it offline. Okay. So as of now, it's impossible to keep this laptop 24/7 open. Again, it's kind of impossible to have my laptop connected to the internet 24/7 without bundles finishing. So because of that, you can't really manage to keep your laptop 24/7 connected to the internet and fully charged, and it can really finish up your bundles, and there are a lot of disadvantages of using your own laptop to host your website. So this is where web hosting comes in. So in this video I talked about web hosting. Okay, and I talked about web hosting is where instead of hosting your website on your laptop or on your phone, you can actually pay for a computer, uh, which is ever online, which is ever connected to the electricity. Okay, don't have to worry about whether the laptop is on or off. So you can buy, not really buy, but rent. Okay, you can rent a laptop which is ever online, and when you rent that laptop, you can install anything on it. You can upload the website there, and anyone in the world will be able to access it. Yeah. So all I need to do is just save this website to a server, upload this to a remote computer, and set up. Okay, so this is what I'm going to show you in the next videos. This video is all about just showing you how a website works. Okay, so as you can see, I'm accessing this website via this IP address. Okay, you can also access many websites using these IP addresses as well. Okay, so all computers and all phones have IP addresses. Okay, even your phone you're using right now or PC has got an IP address. If you'd like to find out your IP address, just go into Google and search for what is my IP address. When you press enter, Google will be able to show you your IP address. Okay, so Google. Okay, so an IP address is, according to this definition, is an internet protocol address. It's a numerical label assigned to each device connected to the network. So if you're connected to the internet, you'll be assigned an IP address. Okay. So when you convert this laptop to a server, okay, we'll be able to access our website via its IP. So as you can see here, I'm able to access my website using this IP address. Okay. Okay, this also applies for Google. So the IP address for Google is this one. So when I enter this code and I press enter, you see it's going to redirect me to google.com. So instead of entering google.com, okay, you can also just paste in the IP address for google.com and I'll be redirected to google.com. So what if I would like, instead of accessing this website using an IP address, what if I wanted to be able to access my website, for example, Keith Rainz and .org. Okay, so if I'd like to access my website using a word like this one, okay, uh, I'll need to buy what's called a domain name. So these are domain names, for example, keithrains.org, google.com, facebook.com. These are domain names. So what are domain names? These are just website names that points us to our servers. So as you can see, as you noticed here, when you enter this IP address, it redirected me to google.com. Okay. Same as when I enter google.com, it can also redirect me to the IP address. Okay. So this is how I am able to access these websites. So in the next videos, I'm going to show you everything, how to get started with a website, how to point everything, domain name, server, and so on, and all the complex stuff. Okay. So I'm going to try all my best to make things very simple for you. And by the way, if you don't get to understand or if you miss out anything, feel free to comment and let me know if you're able to um, if you're able to understand my accent. Okay, not good at talking that much. Yeah, so let me know in the comments if you're able to understand me clearly or if I should also continue with recording using my voice or I should continue using the female's voice. And don't forget to click the link in the description for the whole playlist. And don't forget to like to support me. Share with anyone who is interested of starting a website that generates money. Okay, when I'm done with this playlist, I'm going to show you my earnings, how much I make for my website, so that maybe you can also get motivated and work more harder. And bye for now. Yeah, see, this is it. See you in the next video.